Welcome to Multilingual Yoga. In this video, we are going to learn and practice the Japanese Hiragana first 5 letters. It's called vowels A, I, U, E, O. First, I will show you how to write each letter step by step along with the correct pronunciation. After we finish learning all 5 vowels, I am going to practice writing them continuously for 10 minutes to improve my handwriting and memorization. So get your notebook and pen ready. Get start to learn the Japanese Hiragana vowels together. Japanese Hiragana. First letter, it's called A. First, it's called A. Open the mouth half level and pronounce A. It's single meaning. Then the remembrance for this letter, apple. This shape also look like a apple. Look like an apple. Then the second letter is E. It's look like the double I looking towards the side. Then A, I, the third letter is U. First we want to write and do want to do like this. U. A, I. It's look like one boxer get punching and say boxer punch. Remember like that. Then A, I, U, E. The energetic ninja. Stand. Then the final letter, it's almost look like a only, little different only is there. O. Okay, let's we want it's look like UFO. Remember this letter by using this. A for apple, look like apple, double I's, I, then U, the boxer get punch and say U, and the fourth letter, the E, it's look like the Z in the English, the energetic ninja, and the final letter also look like the A, but it's simple different. It have the one horn above the left side and it say O, UFO. So let's start to write the all letters again. First A, apple. E, first big letter and the second one O. A, O, A, E, O, A, O. For increase the handwriting and memorization, I will going to write the all vowels for 10 minutes continuously. You can also join with me with pronouns. Okay. A, E, O, A, O, 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 A, I, 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 O, A, 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 A, 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 I, O, A, A, 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 O, A, E, O, N, O, R, E, U, N, O, R, in, O, N, O, R, E, O, A, O. A, 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 E, O, A, O. A for apple. E for double eyes. O, the punching man. A, the energetic ninja. O, UFO. Apple, A, double eyes. E, O, punching man, energetic ninja. A, O. A, E, O, 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 A, O. A, I, U, N, O. A, I, U, N, O. 20 seconds more. A, I, U, N, O. Final one. A, O, I, U, N, O. Completed. Okay, friends. Today we will complete the task very successfully. Tomorrow we will meet in the next video and write the next letters. The names are called Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. Wait for the video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.